I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. I'm here at Epcot, and behind me is the French Pavilion. And I just got another box from my friends at JUMAJO.FR, a box full of 1/43rd scale cars and trucks. It's pretty good. Behind me is the German Pavilion, which is fitting because a lot of the 1/43rd scale cars that I buy are from Germany. Mostly Mercedes, I'd say, but there are a few others. Mercedes may be my favorite brand of die-cast car to collect, but I've always been attracted to fire trucks, ambulances, and police cars. It might be the colorful flashing lights, and while this isn't a Mercedes, it is a police car. It's an Opel Kapitän that didn't cost very much, but still comes with a surprising amount of detail. The graphics are simple, yet still very crisp, and I'm going to count the silver stripes and window frames as graphics too, because they're also painted. And there are a lot of separately applied detail pieces, like the windshield wipers, mirrors, lights, and even the antenna. This is pretty impressive, and the way it looks reminds me of the old Mission Impossible TV series from the 1960s. I always liked that show. So how about this 1972 El Camino? Or maybe it's a Ranchero. Hold on a second. Chevys and Fords don't have three-pointed stars on their grills. That's a Mercedes logo. And I don't think too many American cars from that time period had 2.2-liter diesel motors either. So maybe it really is from Stuttgart. Mercedes is known for luxury here, well, pretty much everywhere, but they also have a practical side. I saw this online and could not pass it up. I'm a sucker for red exteriors coupled with black interiors, plus it's a two-door with a truck bed in back and just the right amount of chrome. The spare tire and the giant fire extinguisher, well, those are just bonuses. On the color spectrum, if red is my favorite color and yellow my least, light blue is somewhere near the bottom too. It's not as bad as yellow or brown, but it's a hard sell for me personally. Which is weird because the last two 1/43rd scale trucks I bought are both light blue, and I ended up liking them a lot. This is a Mercedes L319D cab with a truck bed and frame in back. The graphics indicate that this would be used as part of a Spanish bicycle business. I'm not sure, though, what all of those sacks are in back. But overall, it's still pretty cool. You've seen a few things from Germany. Now, how about something British? really like double-decker buses. Disney's Magic Kingdom and Epcot both operated older versions of these British open-top buses. That was a long time ago, but I think that's still part of the reason why I like them now. I bought these 4 models directly from JUMAJO's website, but they also sell on eBay. If you've ever sold anything on eBay, you'll know that they take a pretty big cut from every single sale. Nearly 25% now. Which explains the difference between JUMAJO's eBay prices versus those on their website. Even if you just buy 1 or 2 things, you're still better off dealing directly with the seller. I've placed 5 orders in the last 2 years, and every single one was a great experience. They'll give you a discount code too, if you ask. UNA23 worked this month, but they change it every now and then. Shipping may seem high, but that's why I buy 3 to 5 things in each order. When you spread out the shipping cost over several items, it's really not too bad. And they are coming all the way from France. I'm not getting paid by JUMAJO for talking about them in this video. They're just a good business run by good people, and they're an especially good source for 1/43rd scale diecast. Now, if they wanted to send me a few cars or trucks for free, well, I've got a pretty long wish list. But what are the odds that they're going to see this video? I don't speak French, and I don't know if they watch my channel. It'd be nice if they did. So in the United States, we have train shows and swap meets. Apparently, over in Europe, they have the same deal, but for die-cast cars. And JUMAJO shows up at those as well. And you can also find them on Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.
Hi. Hi, I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. Hello. Still Bob. Still at Epcot. Still in France. And I still have a few more cars to look at. It's April, and I'm still at Epcot. Hi, I'm still at Epcot, and this is the Flower and Garden Festival time of year, and I'm in the backside of England.
Is this a video?
Yeah, it's a video.
Oh.
And there's the Epcot ball.
Right there.
Bob and Susan at Epcot.
Ooh, that's cool. Pan around that way. Like,
Sure.
come over here.
First time on camera there.
No, I can't get my own.
I want to get the Epcot ball in there. Where'd it go? Where did you go?
So zoomed
Oh, there it is.
in right now.
There's the Epcot ball. There's Susan.
Let me put my Epcot ball. Watch this. I'll cover the ball with my head.
I'm going to put this in one of my videos, you know. Oh my God.